On to our Good News India segment now. Well, often women in rural areas lose out on education. But there's one woman in Meerut district. She's roaring ahead with her mission to educate other women. Besides working as a principal in a primary school, Dr. Kausar Jahan goes door to door to educate women. While not only that, she even finances their education.
These women have had to give up their education for reasons ranging from social pressure to economic conditions. But where there's a will, there's a way. And to these women, Dr. Kausar Jahan showed the way. The principal of a primary school in Fafunda village of Meerut district, Dr. Kausar, has taken it upon herself to educate impoverished rural women. She goes from door to door to not only impart education to women folk, but also motivate them to become economically independent. Dr. Kausar bears the financial burden of their education, which includes buying them books and paying for their transport to and from school.
ये सारी ही बच्चियां हमारे पास पढ़कर गई हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद किन्हीं कारणों से उन लोगों ने पढ़ाई छोड़ दी। तो मुझे लगा कि जहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ वहाँ मेरी जिम्मेदारी है कि मैं इन बच्चियों को पढ़ाऊँ। अगर मैं पढ़ लिख गई हूँ तो मेरी जिम्मेदारी बन जाती है कि मैं अपने आसपास के माहौल को सुधारूँ।
Recognizing her service, the Uttar Pradesh government conferred her with the Malala Yousafzai Award. Dr. Kausar's efforts have started bearing fruit, with girl children getting enrolled in schools and women in colleges in large numbers.
मैंने 3 साल पहले पढ़ाई छोड़ दी थी और पढ़ने का मेरा बहुत मन था, मगर घर की स्थिति ऐसी नहीं जो मुझे पढ़ा सके। कोच मैम ने अम्मी पापा को भी समझाया और मुझे भी, तो इसलिए हम पढ़ना चाहिए। कौसर मैम ने जिम्मेदारी सारी हमें पढ़ाने लिखाने की।
Dr. Kausar Jahan's journey has achieved several milestones and is on its way to achieving a society which is aware and sensitive to the rights of women. With Bureau Inputs, Tumul Kakkar's report from Meerut for DD News.